Buenos dias. Another day, another dollar. It's past Christmas now, and it's still holiday trading. It's still a holiday. Uh, I don't know if it's gonna be slower than usual or not, but nonetheless, we'll see. So I kind of wanted to show you guys this. You guys remember when I was talking about this idea of getting, short. This was on the stream from when was this? The 24th, I think. I forget it. I forget other days now. But the 24th, I was kind of trying to pick the top there. I don't know if you guys recall or not, but that was kind of trying to find the top there and not really paying attention to the P. Look at that. We were even talking about the freaking P. The P. My goodness. So anyways, we were trying to find the top there. Bon dia. Buenos dias, Senor Antonio. We were trying to find the top there. And then, as you might remember, I ended up taking a long at the end of the stream. And I'm like, I'm going to let this thing ride. This was all on the 24th stream. And then I ended up getting long here at the 76. That was exactly the entry there. That's the entry that I left with on the stream. And then I ended up taking profit later on at the 89, turning myself into green that day because I was in the red. But anyways, it doesn't matter how you start, I guess. It kind of matters how you finish. Well, that's how we finished that day, which was good. But what I want to show you here is something simple. So can you see this level here? Can you see that? That was the level was long. That was the level that got turned into support. So fast forward today, boop, we are sitting right at that level of support there. Or it's still kind of resistance there, but now I am probably going to give this a shot already. But the idea is simple. That was resistance, trying to turn it into support on Thursday. I'm forgetting the days. Christmas Eve, okay, the 24th. As you saw in that example there, this is exactly why I'm kind of interested here at this level. So it's pretty straightforward explanation. I hope that kind of made sense. So we already took this one long from the 76 on the 24th. We rode it all the way to the 89. Can we rinse and repeat the same trade? I don't know, but there's only one way to find out, and that is by actually giving it a shot. So I just wanted to kind of give you the short version as to why I'm, taking this long here, right? And was to, just why this level is a key level, I guess. It's no surprise. It's the same one from 24th. We were trying to short yesterday night. We got some green. There was like 4 points at one point, and then it just reversed and then went to the 605. I got stopped out at 602, and I was a little bit early because then afterwards, look at this. It's a bunch of nonsense. Look at this. I can't make this up. Wait, let me give this some more space here if it needs. It's going to be a little bit messy. Hopefully not at open, but so you can see this here how where is it? So we're building this M thingy majiggy here, okay? Overnight. Right here. Like that. It's kind of the M that I'm always referring to here. But the problem was this. This is where I was shorting. So we're going under it, which I honestly like that as a short. So I got short, I think it was at around 99 here. So I'm like, okay, fine. It's, we're hitting top level of resistance, which is 6,603 here. Same levels, right? Right here. So I'm like, okay, we can't really hit it. We can't really hit it. And then they had to kind of attempt this one more time. And then they do the magical M here. And then boom, I just wanted to kind of express my frustration there towards that short. Because I thought it was a good short, just definitely a bit too early. I should have been short in hindsight. Over here, 603. You guys know about that level. So that would have been the right call, having my stop at 06. It would have been fine. But, I mean, that's always hindsight. It's always easier in hindsight. But nonetheless, we kind of not predicted the dip because obviously I tried to short it, didn't work out, so I didn't predict nothing, but rather just simply understanding that we could be pulling back from that area can keep you from looking at the wrong side of the move in general. You can still lose. I lost last night, 3 points, right? But the idea is, as long as you can understand where the market might be, potentially giving you a short opportunity, that's where you want to engage short. Like right now, I think that the market could reclaim this level and then push back on up. That is an opportunity for me. So, and it's not that I think price is, above 76, hitting the top range of 78. I should have been a little more patient, gotten long at 76. Could have, would have, should have. That's always the problem here, right? In trading, hindsight is always 2020. I just hope we don't really get too choppy at open and we go straight up. This will be a very short stream. I don't imagine me staying here for too long. I have some things I gotta get done today, and you know, it is, I don't know, based on the odds, it might be a little bit slower than usual, so I'm just gonna, you know, not go in too heavy. I'm already pretty good in the green for the week, so I'm just gonna try to stay that way and not risk too much on a day like today. All right, let's get this Wheel of Fortune over here. What are we gonna do today, Wheel of Fortune? Are we gonna chop? Are we gonna dump? Are we gonna pump? Please tell me the pump. And let's see. Pump! Yes, 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 yes. All right, she needs 2 though. It's 2 to win in this game. Best out of 3 if there's a tiebreaker. Let's see. Or can we just get 2 straight pumps? Pump, baby. Pump. It looks like Santa Claus likes me this year, and it looks like we are going to be rallying. I won't ask her again. Let's see if she's right. I'm leaning with her, but I mean, there's always those odds, you know what I mean? It's Christmas over here still. Kind of feels like Christmas. No, now we're on to New Year's. It's New Year's now. New Year's celebrations. All right, market's about to open on up, or is it open? Yeah, it is open. My apologies there. I think my computer watch is a little bit behind. And there we go. We're starting to rally from the level of support. So this is what I mean, that you don't really need to guess where to get long. This is exactly the same trade I did over that day on, when was it? On the 24th. Same exact trade. Same exact level. In fact, my entry is just slightly higher than that one on the 24th. But rinse and repeat, baby. It can get denied here and, you know, roll down, but I doubt it. I said it was going to be a short stream. Well, it's going to be fucking shorter than I even thought. Come on, just squeeze, baby, squeeze. Give another 10 points and I'll be out of here. Go, 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 go. Go, baby, go. And again, I walked you through the entire mindset. This is kind of like the whole thing about technicals, right? That I'm the one that can screw up a lot of things, but in general, if you just understand where price is, like, okay, when we're at 6,603, like we were last night, even though it's a little bit early, you know, you're like, okay, I cannot be getting long here because it's a major level of resistance. So if you are brave and you want to, you know, get that right opportunity on the short, you can short it. Down here, it's kind of a long here. So, I mean, how much can it go? I have no clue. You know what I mean? It's not my job to know that the market's going to go up 100 points from here. That's nonsense. But just understanding that down here was a long area could have kept you out of a short. All right, come on, baby. Let's get going. Oh, my goodness. There we go. Merry Christmas. I mean, I don't know if I should be saying Merry Christmas now. That's old news. 350. Come on, let's get at least 10 points on this. I'm not going to get out of this one as we're pumping. Beautiful, beautiful follow through. Again, rinse and repeat. Once I'm out of this trade, I'll likely just, you know, maybe stay on another 5 minutes and then I'll be out of here. All right, come on, a little bit more, baby, a little bit more. Can we get filled over here, over at the 90? That would be amazing. We're hitting 86 there. That was a previous all-time high. So there you go. I mean, no real surprise as to why we're getting kind of stuck there. That was a previous all-time high. Don't ask me the date. I'm not going to go there and check right now, but it's a yellow line on my chart, means it's a previous all-time high. You got to have a system towards your levels. Oh, come on, yes. Don't do this to me, man. Never mind this 86. Let's just go to that ducking 90. I walk away, and we're done. We're done here. Dun, 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 dun. Should have been in heavier. See, like pullbacks from the 86, like they don't scare me, right? The problem is this. I understand that we might be pulling back here, okay? So I understand it. I don't take profit, okay? So I don't take profit, but I understand we might pull back there. It's like a speed bump, right? Now, this is the issue here. Price has to do one of two things over here. It either has to hold this level here and break that one there, or it's gonna basically break this level here and hold that one there. Which was gonna happen, I have no idea. But assuming that, you know, short-term trend is pushing back on up, we have the gap to be filled, and we also have a bounce like this from support, I would imagine we break through that resistance. But it is scary sometimes when we dip like how we just did. We dipped all the way back on down towards the 79. You guys just saw that. But the idea is simple. As long as my entry holds there, there's nothing for me to do besides wait. So just understand that, you know, it's that game of ping pong that I'm referring. We ping, we pong between levels of resistance and support, and then we get, you know, moving. I should have added down there, if anything. Over at the 79. Getting stuck 86 for now. Can we get 90 over here and I can walk away? Oh, come on, ES. Come on, baby. Don't do me like this. Say, Mr. Angel. I should have been heavier. I would have just locked it all down there at the 86. Could have, would have, should have. But it's always better. I like going in lighter. One contract for now. It's holiday still, you know what I mean? And anything can happen. $87. For adventure. Fire all of your guns at once in space. Wow, getting denied pretty hard over at that 88 for now. Not a Mundo. 9. Let me check the hourly chart. What's the hourly chart over here saying? Hourly chart is basically saying it wants to chop around. Major chop. Wow. Born to be wild. What do we got on the daily? The daily chart looking red right now. Red. We are 3 green days in a row. After that, you know, we had two red days in a row there. One being a 3% down day, which was amazing. And then we have 3 green days there. Let me take a look at that 4-hourly chart here. What's the 4-hourly chart saying? We'll find out. We'll find out what they want to do here, but I would be careful at that 6,000 level. That 6,000 is a pain in the ass. So look at that yesterday night, just acting so beautiful there. Sorry, I'm kind of switching between time frames here, but I want to double check some other time frames before I rush to closing a position early or vice versa in terms of a stop. Space and like true nature's child, we were born. We can climb so high. You guys know that song, obviously. You guys have to know that song. Be wild. What a song, man. These songs before, back in the day, I don't know. I listened to a lot of them. Like, you know, like I have a whole playlist of them. Look, I'm not kidding. Can't really drag that in, or else everything could, stop here. So, but I got a playlist on Spotify. It's called Local Classics. So basically, a bunch of classic music, classic rock music. Pink Floyd is not is definitely on that list. He's not missing. The Rolling Stones, Beatles, Eric Clapton, Guns N' Roses. A lot of stuff, actually. The Animals. All right, can we sing the #1 radio station, the #1 song on Canada's radio stations? Choo choo train, choo choo train, choo choo train. Pumps, give me this so I can get out of here already. Yes, I gotta go do some things. So let's put some gas. Let's put some steam into this thing. Let's just go to the fucking 90 and let's go. Dun, 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 dun. 86 getting stuck here once again. Again, no big shocker. That's a previous high there. You don't need to guess where price is going to have some speed bumps. And we're trying this again. Remember I mentioned it's one or the other is going to have to break. Either my entry, I'm going to get stopped out, or the resistance is going to break and we're going to get fucking 90 filled down up there. One or the other. Either way, we're going to find out soon enough what it is. If you don't like it, well then, you can go break even, whatever. I take full stop out. I go full stop out on look at what happened on the 24th. I went break even. The prick rallied almost 100 points from that low. So we go all the way, baby. Got long 82, 86. I got to run to the cleaners. Get out of 78 long. 80, re-enter at 83. Nice. Yeah, I got to go do some things too. That's why I'm kind of just waiting for this thing to go. And this doesn't really surprise me after a day like the 24th and, it's just kind of grinding its way back on up. No big deal. Come on, break 86. I think through the 86, I might even be taking profit early there at the 90, but I'll be happy with taking profit on 90. That's 10 points shy from that 6,000 level, which is a massive level of resistance. So I'm not going to cry about taking 10 points early from resistance. Plus, this would still be a 77, 87, 13-point trade for the 26. Not too bad. What the hell does interactive brokers want? They want me to update my yearly statement, because if you're a professional trader, you have to declare that you're a professional trader. So every year they always send me this thing I gotta fill out. They're complaining about me. Are you still an individual data? You need to fill this out to comply with regulations, or else they're gonna charge me a shit ton of money for to see the data and stuff like that. Because as individuals, we only pay like $10 or something like that, or like $15 on data charges. Who's going to win? Is it going to be 86 or is it going to be the 76 to 78 support level? One of them is going to win. Either way, I don't care. I got my stop where it needs to be. This choo-choo train is not leaving me today. If we're going to go, we're going to go. If we're not going to go, well, then I'm going to take the stop out there and I'm going to walk away. Either way, I'm at peace with it. I find that this is the best way for me to kind of get to a comfort, a peaceful state of mind with trading. Because before, if I wasn't okay with either eating the stop out or whatever it is, I always found myself tense. So for example, if I went break even here, imagine it breaks me even, I lose it, man. I lose it, guys. I just can't do it. This is why maybe it's a good reason that I don't live in Vegas or something. Because I do think that, I could potentially be gambling my life away in Vegas. Because there's no way I'll be like, okay, I came with $100. I'm leaving with $100. Fuck that. It's either I'm losing $100 or we're coming home with $1,000, baby. That's not the right mentality to bring to Vegas. So I think that, it's good that I don't live there. If 82 breaks and retest could drop 70 to 72. My name. I still have 76, 78 level of support, but you could be right. Come on, rinse and repeat, same trade. This is where we got long on the 24th. I ended the stream by saying, you guys see I'm still long and I'm gonna let this sucker go all day. And we took profit all the way at the top, which was amazing. So can we do this again? Just same good old level here. It just has to hold. That's all it needs to do. I am not getting out of this. It's either gonna go here or there. This could be a good ad here, but it's already in the green. I'm just relaxing it within it. One contract. I feel nice and light, so I can afford that patience here. If I was long 2 or 3, not really. It's a lot of risk for 3 contracts. That's the next level. Right now for the end of this year, it's just a matter of locking in those accounts, finishing, as strong as you can, and that's about it. But right now is not the time to be pushing. The time to be pushing is during the year, not fucking Christmas Eve or, New Year's Day to ruin your holiday season or your Christmas spirit. So that's my opinion. Take it easy. No over trading. Not going into heavy. Next year, that will be my goal. I kind of got there this year at one point. I was trading like 2-3 contracts pretty comfortably. But then I ended up, doing some stupid things. And then I'm like, okay, I need to size down and just kind of go back to, 1-2 contracts and get back to my normal comfort scenario, I guess, if you will. You might be like, well, that was dumb. Well, the problem is if you don't do that, you just want to go up, size up, you could be blowing up too much. So that's the unfortunate reality. I got to about 3 to 5 contracts pretty comfortably, but then I just decided to size down after taking some losses. And I'm like, it's okay, just go back. And then since then, I like 1 to 2 for now. Next year we'll try again, but as me being honest, it is what it is. Get in long 5 and tell me how quick it is for you to have drawdown. Like even 1 point drawdown on 5 contracts, you start to feel a little wreck. So that's why I figured I was putting on too much risk. It's very simple, and then I sized down. It's that simple. There's no need. And I think part of it, I'll be honest, it has to do with the online pressure, right? I'm like, well, there's a lot of people that can trade 5 contracts, and that's not me right now. That is not me. I'm not going to try to pretend it is me. And therefore, maybe I was being influenced by outside forces. Because I stream, right? So I'm like, well, look, I'm going to walk away with $612 if that 90 gets filled. But what majority of traders don't actually look at is that this man, or I'm going to be walking away long from the 77, 75, taking profit plus 10 points on ES. Okay. It's a pretty nice, comfortable padding there, risking 3 or 5 points. Typically it's 3 points, right? But the point is simple. Nobody gives a shit about the fact that you're risking 3 points and then you're getting 15 points plus. They don't care about that. People don't really care about that. All they care about is, did this guy nail $20,000 today? And that's kind of, that was my mentality too when I started trading. And it is what it is. But that's why I'm like, I don't care. You know what I mean? A good trade is not the amount of money you make. A good trade is the amount of risk you've had to put on. Did you feel comfortable in the trade? Did you have an edge in the market when you put that trade on? Do you feel comfortable taking that trade? Can you explain it to a 5-year-old why you got long at this level? In a minute. If you can't explain your trading in a minute, under a minute, it's not a good thing. And this is the way I can put it for you. I was long here. Okay, I was long here. Christmas Eve, I got long right here. 76, I think it was. You can see we had a lot of chop all that day. We rallied. We came back to it. We rallied. Now overnight, yes, we dipped a little lower, but in the end, we reclaimed this area. We're probably gonna rally. Probably. You know, it's a matter of odds, but. This is holiday trading. This is exactly what I mean by this is it. It's fucking choppy. Are there any news or anything that can make this thing move or what? Come on, yes. Holiday, holiday. Oh yeah, in Canada it is a holiday, by the way. I totally forgot. I don't live in that place anymore for now, but that's a good thing. I don't know, but Canada, it is a holiday today because it is Boxing Day. It's like our equivalent of Black Friday. But we obviously picked up Black Friday very quickly, so we are on 2 holidays during the year. Black Friday and Boxing Day. Nope, no news until 11 o'clock. Some very light numbers. This is holiday. Welcome to holiday trading. Tomorrow we got some more numbers at 11 o'clock, 8:30. But yeah, pretty light overall. Dun, 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 dun. 86 holding us down again. Beautiful. I was thinking about adding there. I'm like, this is a good ad. If we were gonna push from here, this is a good ad at the 76. But I'm like, no, look at those candles. They ain't printing pretty right now. It was a mind game in my head right now. I'm like, add at 76, add at 75, add at 77. We squeeze back above 77. I'm like, add right now. Add. My mind wants me to add. But the candles look scary. The candles look scary. How can I do this, mind? The candles look scary. I don't want to add here. We should have broken 81. Oh my god. Are they gonna break 76? And they're breaking it. Oh. Mother duckers. Hey, wasn't it? Where was it? Hustler? Look at that. 82 breaks. You retest to drop that. If 82 breaks, you said, we retest that 72. Good read, my friend. I'm going to be done with that. As I mentioned, I came here with a very straightforward mission, which was either get filled at the 90 or get stopped out here. And I followed the plan, so I'm just going to walk away now. It is what it is. It didn't work out. Could have gone break even. I don't like break even, so duck it. I don't it's, oh my goodness, look at that. Watch that 80, that 81, 86 short. Amazing. Should have perhaps looked at the short side there. Dun, dun. Wow, what a candle. What a candle. What a drop. That's why I say, we'll break even. I don't trade like I do. I don't like break evens. I'm gonna try this here. Dun, 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 dun. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Where'd my mouse go? Dun, 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 dun. Me down. The else love me like it does. She does. What she does. Yes, she does. Down. Don't let me down. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go, baby. Go, please, go. Go. Please go. But the Bulls, the Bears, oh my god, come on, just squeeze, 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 squeeze. Limit sell one here at 76. Come on, just do it. Do it, baby. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Go, go, go. Just fucking go. Don't stop. Don't stop. Go, 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 go. Go, choo-choo train. Go, choo-choo train. Why is my computer slow? Come on, go. Fill me, fill me, fill me, fill me. Come on, it's so close. Oh, come on. It's right there. Just fucking fill it. Fill it. Boom, baby. Boom. Ah, the bears are so cute. Choo-choo train, choo-choo train, choo-choo train pumps. Ah, these guys, such pricks. Amazing. Beautiful, beautiful fucking trade. Beautiful. Oh, man, I love it. I love this ducking game. Holy shit. Beautiful. All right, well, that ends my stream. That ends my trades there. What a trade. Wow. That was quick. And I think I took profit early here, but my goodness. My goodness. My goodness. I'll take those 700. No problemo. I am done. Oh man, I had to, fuck, I should have recorded this. That was a nice setup there. The problem here, okay, they do this all the time. The Bears, they do this all the time. They, not the Bears, the profit takers, they do exactly the same. I can't even explain it. Fine, we get denied there, right? I say this is a game of ping pong. We broke down this level, no problem. Take the stop out there. We dumped through all these guys here, and then guess what we did there? All we did was take out all the lows there and bounce from another level of support down here, and then squeeze right back on up. That's all we did, basically. I love it. Look at this level of support here. This is from 24th. Boom. Look at that. That smells like a trap to the downside. Well, we already nailed that long there, so I'm going to just walk away. I ended up taking profit early there, of course, as always, but nonetheless, beautiful, beautiful trade there. I should have left it. Why didn't I leave a runner going? I think now, actually, I can even take another long here of that 76, looking for the break of 80, 86. Oh my God, they're doing it. I took profit early. Fuck. Once green, stay green, baby. I'm going to follow my own advice and I'm going to walk. What a trade. What a trade. Oh my God. Look at that. Down here, that's it. Right there. You don't know that. Feel sorry for you. Beautiful. Of course, I ended up taking profit early, way too early. Come on, you gotta admit, the way that these guys work, it's funny. Look at that long right there. That was such a beautiful long. I don't know why I ended up taking profit. It's just, it's so difficult. Once you're green, you stay green. Look at that fucking long right there. It's a trap. This is a trap. Now we go break 86, aren't we? Well, I nailed that long down here. I am happy with my day. I am gonna walk away. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I'll tell you the same thing I tell you here every day. This is a level of support. Okay. All we did was trap to the downside here. And look at that massive V. It's a V. Straight up. This is the V for victory, my friends. Right there. That is it. And now we go break 86 because now we've done the trap. Oh my God, this is so... I don't know how they do this, but they always do the same thing. You see, this was done on purpose. This here was done on purpose so that we have more liquidity to burst through later on. This was done on purpose. You see this? Was done on purpose. We get the dump really quickly. We get the trap below a major level of support. We squeeze right back up. And now take a wild guess if that 86 is going to hold. Absolutely not. It's going to break right through it because now they know they have liquidity there. If they don't break through it, they're going to basically come back. I'm going to take another long of 76 and then push on up because this wants to break really ducking hard. But I already nailed this trade down here. So the Bulls win, baby. I am done. Thank you all for tuning in. Once again, I do appreciate it. And, just... What day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow's Fresh Cash Friday. Oh, my goodness. Tomorrow is Fresh Cash Friday. The 31st is going to be slow. So we got 2.5 trading days left this year. I'm going to walk away. And, I do appreciate you guys tuning in today. So, peace.